This is Sadie. Today is Sadie's birthday, so she's here for day daycare. She's doing a swim today. You know, Sadie likes to swim for a little bit and then spend the rest of the time running around like a mad woman, right, babe? Right? There you go. Get your gallop going. Gets awfully tired. Happy girl. Making me dizzy. You're making me dizzy. Ready? Here. Oh, good job. So proud. Uh-oh, losing steam. Good girl, Sadie. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday. Come here. Happy birthday.